Hi boys and girls, for this activity you're going to need a few materials. You're going to need the 100th day of school activity page, a glue stick, some crayons, and some scissors. If you don't have all of those items, pause the video and go and get them now. Okay, welcome back. I'm going to read the story to you. I need you to listen carefully so that you will be able to put the pictures at the bottom in order for what happened first, second, third, and fourth. This is the beginning, and this would be the end. So get your listening ears ready. Are you ready? All right, great. Here we go. The 100th day of school. First, Rick will count 100 things. Next, Pam will write 100 words. Then Jake will read 100 books. Last, Gwen will jump 100 times. Listen as I read it one more time. The 100th day of school. First, Rick will count 100 things. Next, Pam will write 100 words. Then, Jake will read 100 books. Last, Gwen will jump 100 times. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to get ready to put the pictures in order. I need you to pick up your scissors, and I need you to cut across the dotted line down here. And then I want you to cut out all 4 of these squares with the pictures on them. Pause the video while you do that. Does your paper look like mine now? Great job. Okay, we want to figure out what happened first. So I'm looking at the pictures. I'm getting my glue stick. I'm still looking at the pictures. Did you find the one that happened first? Let's see if yours matches mine. It said in the story that Rick will count 100 things. So I found the picture of Rick counting 100 things, and I glued it right here on top of number 1. Now you're going to find what happened next, second, third, and fourth of the pictures. If you need to go back and listen to the story again, you can, and then glue your pictures in place. Pause the video while you do that. Boys and girls, now that you have all your pictures where they need to be in order, if you have extra time, you can color the pictures. And then when you're all done, take a picture on Seesaw and send it to your teacher. Maybe you can even do a video and retell the story. Have fun as you retell the story about the 100th day of school.